Welcome to this section. If you are here watching with me, that means you want to create a website using WordPress, which is fantastic. It's a great choice, and I'm sure that you will love this process. This is a fun process. All you need to do is watch over my shoulder while I create a real website here on the screen, on the video for you, and follow the same steps that I'm doing. While we are doing that, I'll be explaining to you every single detail so you know exactly what are you doing. And by the end of this model here, this is exciting, you will have your website ready to go to share with your friends, with your clients. So let's start with this process right now. In this video, we will sign for the hosting service for your website, and we are doing that using Hostinger. I recommend Hostinger to all my students because it's one of the best hosting services we have right now, and is one of the most affordable one with an amazing quality, amazing service that they provide. So your website will be secure and it will be up and running 24/7 with Hostinger. So to sign for this, we can come here to diegodavila.com/tools. This is the resources area of the course. And here you see website hosting, and we have here Hostinger. And the good thing, and what I love about them, is that we have an agreement, a partnership with Hostinger, and they are offering a reduced price for our students, for all the students of this course. And this is only for our students, and it's the highest discount that you will ever find in Hostinger. So that's why I'm excited about this opportunity, and let me share with you how you can get access to that. So in this page, you can come and click on Hostinger, or you can click on See More. And we are being forward to the Hostinger website. This interface changes frequently, so if you see something different here, don't worry about it. All you have to do here is check the information they have, if you want, and if you are ready to move forward, we can click here on Get Started. So click on the button that is here to see all the plans, okay? I will click on Select, and we see the plans here. So the next step here, we are in step number 2, and this is really easy to do. You see that we need to select the period that we want for hosting, and we have the option here of 1 month, 12 month, 24 or 48 month. Usually the difference here is the highest the plan, the lowest the price. But right now they are running a promotion, and I'm not sure how long this will last. So maybe when you are watching this, you have a different option. But you can choose, I recommend you to choose at least the 12-month period, because you are paying for 1 month, you will pay almost $12, and this amount change all the time. So depending on your country, depending of the time of the year, you will see different prices here. But the good thing is that by being a student of this course, you will get the lowest price ever here, and I'll show you exactly how that works, okay? So select at least the 12 month. Is worth it. You see that for the 12 month you will get a free domain. The domain right now is around $10 to $15 per year, sometimes $18 or $20 per year, and you are getting that for free with Hostinger. And also you are paying only this amount per month if you select any of these higher plans here. Okay, so select the plan that is best for you, remembering that you have 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try for 30 days and you can cancel at any time. They return all your money if you don't like the service or if something happens that you need to issue a refund. Excellent. We select here the plan. Next step is to create your account, so you enter your email address in this box, or you can log in with any of these services like Google and Facebook. Next step is to select the payment method. You see here, they take credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or you can even pay with crypto. You can pay with Bitcoin or any other crypto that they take. I will select credit card to make things easier, but you can go with any of these services. And here you see the summary of what we have right now. We have the service plan for a year, we have the huge discount, and we have the total we need to pay right now. In my case, this changed for every country, but in my case here, I'm paying $32.28 for a year of hosting plus a free domain on my account. And you see that we have the coupon apply, which is the Diego Davila coupon. This is exclusively for students of this course, and this will give you the highest discount you can ever get in Hostinger. Remember, just to make things clear, I may receive a commission from Hostinger if you end up using my coupon, but the important thing here is that you are getting the best deal and you are not paying more because you do that. You, in the other way, you are paying less. So let's continue here. We enter now the name on the credit card number, expiration date, and CVC code. Of course, if you select another payment method, you can follow here the instructions. I will do this right now and click on Submit Secure Payment. Excellent, guys. The next step is to create your password, set your password here for your account. You see, I already typed my password. I re-enter the password here, and I will click now in confirm to continue with the process. Here we have a survey that you can start if you want. You can answer a few questions so they can help you to build this website. We don't need this, but let's click on Start Now. We select the website. I'm creating a website for myself, for a company. You can skip this or select any of these, doesn't matter. And here, where we need to select the platform, you will skip. You see the option here, skip, I will start from scratch. So this is what we are doing. So we have more options and more control. So click here on skip, I will start from scratch, here at the bottom, here it is. Now we can claim your free domain. Remember, we get a free domain with this plan. Or if you want, you can buy a new domain or use an existing domain. In this case, I'll click on claim the domain. And here you will search for the domain name that you want. Maybe you already know which domain you want, but you can check here. You select the extension, in this case, .com. You have lots and lots of options. I will go with .com, and this is the website we want to create here, Pro Website Academy. So I will search here to make sure exists. Let's see if it's available or not. Yes, the domain is available. I will then continue. And now we are ready to finish the process. You see the server location is North America, and your domain name, my domain name in this case is this one. I can change the location if I want. You see all the locations where they have servers, so you can choose the location that is closest to you. In this case, I'll use North America. And I'm clicking now on Finish Setup to continue and finish all this process. And the last step is to select and to confirm your registration information. This is for the domain. Every time you buy a new domain, .com or any extension, you need to confirm the owner's information here, and this is a public record. So you can come and select the country where you are. In this case, I'll go with US. It will be a personal or company domain. I'll go personal for this. And you can enter here your name, last name, your email address, city, your address, everything about this. And when you are ready, click on Finish Registration. Excellent, is being registered right now. You see that it's initializing setup. Your website is ready. And we are now finally in the last step for your website. You see here, we can view the website or go to the control panel. We are going to the control panel because we didn't build the website yet. So manage website. And here we have the control panel of Hostinger. We will explore this in details. This is super fun, super easy to use, and we can control everything about your website and your hosting service on this panel. See you in the next video. In this video, we will complete the hosting setup and we will start building your website. The next step is to confirm your email address. When you signed for Hostinger in the last video, you will receive two emails. One is about the payment, that they confirming that they received your payment, and the second one is the most important email where we need to take action. And this is an email where we need to verify your email address. So this is important because if you don't confirm your email address, your hosting account will be pending and you won't be able to move forward with the website creation process. So come to your email right now, check for Hostinger, and if you find the email called verify email address, you just click on this button to verify the email. After you click on the button, you will be redirected to the control panel. This is the control panel of Hostinger. You see here, we are in the address hpanel.com. pro.hostinger.com. So anytime you want to come here to the control panel, to the administration of your website, your hosting, where you manage the domains, the email addresses, everything, you need to come to hpanel.hostinger.com. You can put this on your favorites so you have a quick access to all these tools. Once we are here, we are coming here to hosting. You see at the top we have the top menu where we can see hosting. We can create emails with your domain. For example, in my case, my domain is prowebsiteacademy.com. I can create emails with this domain, so it's more professional, like for example support@prowebsiteacademy.com or diego@prowebsiteacademy.com. Any emails you can create, and all this is 100% free for you on this plan. Also, you can come to domains to buy more domains, to see the servers, and also the billing, which is also important. So what we are doing right now is clicking on hosting here at the top, and we see your domain here. In my case, we see my domain. I click on manage to manage this domain. And here is the most important thing. And don't worry if you see too many options here, if it's a little bit overwhelmed, because we have like lots and lots of options for administration. We won't be using all of these. We will just use a few to make sure you have a super professional website by the end of this course. So in here, you can see, for example, the details about your plan. Where is your server? What is the IP address, your domain, cool things about that. You see also all the statistics for your hosting. How much are you using of the space, how many eNodes, how many subdomains, and all this cool information. Of course, in the next video, we will come here and we will install WordPress step by step. WordPress is the most popular platform all over the internet. Most of the websites today are running under WordPress, and it's 100% free. So that's why we are using this right now. I think you will love this. In the next video, we will move forward installing WordPress. See you there. Okay, the next step is to install WordPress on your Hostinger server to make sure we have a website that is live on the internet. And to do that, we come here to hosting on the top menu. Again, we are on hpanel.hostinger.com. We come to hosting at the top, and we see the domain here. You select your domain, the domain that you want, where you want to install WordPress. I will click on manage. And here we are. Again, we have been on this interface in the last video. We have all the options to manage your domain, to manage your website, to install apps, and all that is related with this specific domain. On this case, the domain we got is prowebsiteacademy.com. On your case, you have your own domain here. We will scroll down to the site or websites option. Here we have websites, and here we have all the options for website. And the one we are using right now is Auto Installer. If you want to import your website or migrate from another place, you can use these options here. If you want to install a brand new website and you want to start from scratch, which is what we are doing here, we select the Auto Installer. So click on that. Excellent. Here we choose the platform we want to use. The most popular is WordPress, and this is the one we are using. Click on Select. Excellent. And this is simple. All we need to do here is just to provide some information about your website, about your business, and in a few seconds you will have a website right there on the internet ready for you to see and to start optimizing. So let's do that. The first step is to add your website title. On this case, I'll add here Pro Website Academy. Add your administrator email, your username, and you can add a password here. So let me add a password. Excellent. Don't worry about the advanced option. Just click on next for now. And here we have a confirmation before we install. So you see that they will install the version 5.9.3, which is the current version. The language you can change if you prefer to install in another language. If you said, Diego, my website is not in English, it will be in French or in Portuguese, Spanish. You can change this to any language that you prefer. I will leave English for now. You see the requirement, don't worry about this. And in here, I recommend you to go with the recommended option, which is update only to minor versions, okay? Click on install, and now Hostinger is taking WordPress, the application, and is installing right there on your website. By the end of this process here, you will have a website live on the internet. Of course, it won't be optimized because we will do that in the next videos, but the website will be live right now. If you have any problems during this process, let's say you have a problem, you get an error message or something like that, you can always use the help chat on the Hostinger website, which is this guy here. You see here on the lower right hand side, you see this icon. If you click here, we are going to the knowledge base page, and in here you can basically select one of these issues. Let's go with domain. Let's say that we have a problem with this, and you have two options here. You can send them an email or you can chat right now. This is great. I love this one. I always use this one, even if I don't have error messages, even if I just have a question about something related with the website, with the service, you can always scan to the chat, enter your information here. In this case, this is my domain. Describe your issue, send the message, and the chat window will open right there, and you will be chatting with a live human being that is ready to help you solve any problems you have in the process. Okay, excellent. Let's go back now to where we were. Here we are. So we just installed WordPress, and now that we have the WordPress installed, you don't need to come here to Hostinger anymore, right? We will come to Hostinger only if you want to renew your plan or stuff like that. This is already done. We don't worry about this anymore. Now all that we are doing, everything we are doing right now, will be in the WordPress administration page, in the WordPress dashboard. There we will install themes for your website. We will make your website look beautiful, look professional. We will add content to your website. Everything will be done there in the WordPress site, okay? So how do we get there? We can click here on edit website, or I prefer you to do a different way. I prefer you to open a blank page on your browser and go to your domain. On this case, it will be prowebsiteacademy.com, as you see here. This is my domain. And to your domain, you will add /wp-admin. This single address here, guys, is the main address that you will always use to access your website, your WordPress, the administration of your website. If you want to add content, you want to change something, you want to update plugins, anything related with your website will be done on this administration panel, okay? So let's go here. Here we go. And now we need to log in. What is this login information that is asking here? This is the login information we just created in this video when we installed WordPress a minute ago, okay? If you don't remember this anymore, you can just recover by using this, lost your password. But I do remember, so I will add my email here. Let me see. And my password, and hopefully this will work. Let's see. Okay, wonderful. Is here. I will just jump this and go to the dashboard. Excellent. And here we are. This is the WordPress dashboard here on your website. You already have a website. So if I come here to your domain, let me open a new window here and go to my domain, prowebsiteacademy.com. You see that this is the website. This is how the website looks like right now. If you go, if you go right now to my domain, probably you will see a different page because we will be configuring and optimizing this. But this is any person in the world at this exact time that I'm recording this, if they go to prowebsiteacademy.com, this is the page that they will see. But this is a default page installed by WordPress. From now on, in the next video, we will start setting up and optimizing your website, installing themes to make sure that your website looks super professional and it has the feeling and the face of your brand. That's what we want to accomplish, okay? So here we are on the dashboard. In the next video, we will continue from here. I hope that to see you there. And if you want, you can start exploring these options. But if you don't worry, we will explore each one of them. We will use all these tools, the simple tools, to make sure that you have the most optimized website for your business. See you in the next video. Okay, we are ready to start with the WordPress theme to make sure your website have your business branding, colors, and style. Okay, so to do that, we will start installing a theme which is called Astra. So we go right now to Appearance, Themes. Here we see all the themes that we have already installed by default here on the website. And if we click on plus here on Add New Theme, we can search here for Astra. Okay, here we go. Astra has some free templates that we will use. So in this case, you don't need to worry about signing or paying for anything. This is all for free coming from Astra. So here is the theme. We will click on install right now. It's installing. Excellent. Excellent. The theme is installed right now. Also, we will install another plugin from Astra. So we go to plugins. And here on plugins, we click on add new to add new plugin. And here we have the upload option, but we are searching on this case, we'll search again for Astra. So we have a theme and also a plugin that we need to install from then. This is the one, started templates, install now. You see they have over 2,000 reviews with over 1 million active installation. We will activate this plugin right now. Excellent. Here we go, it's activating. And now, before we change the face of your website, let's take a look how your website looks like right now. So I go here to Learning with Diego, visit website. Let's see. This is the face. This is what we have right now on the website. You see that is a really simple website that have nothing to do with your business right now. But that's about to change. So we come back here. On this case, we go back to plugins. And we search here for started templates, and we will click on see library. Excellent. Here we will see all the library. There is a video that you can watch if you want. I will click here on build your website now. And in here you select the page builder. You can choose any that you want, but I recommend you to go with Elementor. This is the one that we are using here. Elementor, excellent. And now we see all the templates that they have available here. You can see the list by popular, latest, the premium. So most of them are free. So you can take a look on all the free options and choose the one that you like the most. So we can choose right now. Let's find one that is great for the business. Let's go with this one in this case. So click on that. We see we can upload the logo. We will do that later. This is how the website looks like. You see we have a top menu, take action, learn more. We have events here. We can add products if you want. You have all these available for you. So I like this. If you want to test another template, you are welcome to, or you can choose this one and follow with me. Click on next. Here you can change the color. Look how simple this is, guys. You can change totally easily the colors just with one click. They customize the colors by the template that they have pre-made here on this specific for this specific theme. I will go with the default colors for now. You can also change the font. Let's click on continue. Now they are asking for some information about us. You can add information here about your name. Let's say that I'm a beginner and I'm building the website for my company or myself. I agree with the terms and conditions. I click now, submit, and build my website. Okay, here is the email address. Okay, excellent. Now we are building the website. The website is building right now. You see the percentage going up. And here we go. The website is ready. We can watch the video again, or we can just click here to exit to the dashboard. Let's see. Here we go to the dashboard. Excellent. Now, if we see the website, this is the website we had initially. I will refresh the page now. So let's go refresh. Let's see. This is the website we have now. Look at the difference, guys. This is super professional. It's a different kind of website. We have sections. We have great photos, pictures that we will replace for your products, your photos of your business. So basically, you can customize any of these areas easily here on this website. Let's do that in the next video. Congratulations, your website is ready. Now we need to, for sure, change and customize, personalize these for your business. How do we do that? It's also really simple. At the top, we have an option here called Edit with Elementor. We will click on that. Elementor will open for us and we will start editing your website. And you can edit this as a simple text processing document. You see here that we can select test and you can change the text here, the title, for example. So wonderful gift in this case, the subtitle you can change also. You can change the button, the text on the button, and also the color, the style. You can customize everything. So let's start with that. Let's say we have a digital marketing agency. And let's change these to take your business to the next level. So you can customize all these. Learn more we have here. Let's change this to see the agency plans, for example, for consulting or stuff like that. So I just click on the button. Now in the left side, I see the default. You can change this to any style, any type that you want. You see that the color changes. So let's go to the default. The text is here and you can add a link. So in this case, let's add a link to a website where they can find information about these plans, for example. They have a pop-up option if you want, alignment. All this is available to you. So you see that the main area of the website is already customized, looks great. We can change the image now of this picture. So to do that, we right-click here on this section. We go to Edit section. And here in the left menu, we have Layout, Style, and Advanced. If we click on Style, we can see the picture here. We can change this image at any time. So let's change the image. Here we can insert media. You can use the media that you have or you can upload new media. So let's upload a new one. Let's see. Here is the image. I select that and I click on Insert Media. Excellent. Here we go. You see now we have the image already inserted here on the website. This looks fantastic. Also, we can change these by double clicking and change the text. We can change the photos. By clicking here, we can change all the text, the buttons, and you can customize anything that you want. Let's say you want to add a video. You said, Diego, that's great. I want to add a video here below or above this sentence here. So how do we do that? We come here to the main menu. You click on the 6-dot square on this corner, and you see all the elements you can add to your website. Let's say we want to add a video, this one, for example. So all I need to do is select the video and say, show Elementor, where do I want to add? Let's add below the text. So here we go. We have the video here. And if I click on the video, I can customize all the settings about the video. We have here YouTube, the link of the video. I can change this for the link that is the real link. Start and end time, autoplay, mute, loop. You can configure all these here on WordPress. So when you are ready, let's say you are ready to go, you like the website, it looks professional, fantastic, you test it, is fine. You can click here on update. Excellent. It's updating right now. And once it's ready, I can just go to the main menu here on the left and go to exit dashboard or view page. Let's view the page to see how it looks like right now. So I go here, view page. Is opening. Here we go. This is our website right now. We have the top menu, take action, the logo, the agency plan. If I click here and go into that page specifically, we have the video, the products, everything that we customize here on this specific video. Also, let's say you want to configure, you want to change, you want to add here the logo of your website. You want to change the menu. How do you do that? Here you are on your website. You click on customize on the top menu, and here you will see a preview of your website. And if you put the mouse around the website, you see that you can customize all these items. You see a pencil, a blue pencil here. So if I'm here on the logo, I click on the logo pencil and I can upload the logo. So I can remove this and upload a new image if I want. If I want to change the menu, I can just click here on the pencil around the menu. And you see that we have the menu here with the primary menu, I can click on edit, and you see all the elements. About is the second one, services, the third one, projects, contact, and here we go. So you can change all these by clicking and changing the information here. If you want to add a new item here on the menu and you want to create a new page, let's say, all you need to do is go and create a new page. So let's do that right now. So I'm going back to the dashboard. I'm going to the pages menu. Let's go here, dashboard. Excellent. And I go to pages. And I can go add new page. Excellent, it's adding the page. And now I just need to add the title of the page. So let's say this is products. And click on edit with Elementor. It's opening right now, and here we will have the option to customize and add any information, any blocks to your page. So you see here we have the footer, the top menu, and here we have availability to add any of these information. So let's say I want to add an image first. Excellent. The image is too big, so let's go medium. Excellent. Let's go medium, large, medium. Let's now add another element. Let's add a text heading. Okay. And we will see this is a list of the best selling products. And here we can add more things. Let's see. We can add, for example, a video, a button, space, text editor. So let's put a text editor here. We can add images also, images of your products so they look good. And we have all this flexibility here on this page, okay? When you are ready, you can click on publish. So this will be the products page, for example. And if we want to add this to the top menu, all we need to do is go back to the dashboard. And in the dashboard, we do the same process we did before. We go to the home dashboard screen and we go now to customize. So view site, here we have the website. And now on the top, we have the customize option. So we can add the menu here. Customize, excellent. It's opening here for us. Let's click now on the menu to add the menu item. And here we have the primary menu. Remember, configure menu from here. Click on the primary menu, edit menu, and we can add new page here. So add items, and here we have all the pages available. So here we have one, products, which is the one that we just created. So I will click plus here, and you see that it's automatically added to the menu. So I want this to be the first page after home. So I just drag and drop here to the top, publish, and now we have the projects here on the top. And now we have a professional website ready for your clients. All you need to do is come here and edit, and you can choose this template that we use from Astra or any of the other free or paid template if you like one of those. And with that, you will have a professional website in minutes ready on the internet for your customers, to receive your customers and sell your products, your services easily here on WordPress. See you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome to the end of the course. Congratulations. If you are here, that means that you already have your website live, optimized, good looking, professional, and ready to go for your clients to sell your products, your services, to be discovered online. People will start finding your website organically now on Google searches, which is fantastic. Also, you can create now that you have a website, you can create content there. You can create a blog, you can create articles. People also have a way to find your business, your phone number, your address, if you want to share that on your website. Also, they can see your products, your services, what you have to offer, and you are gaining more and more credibility and trust because you have this professional looking website right now. That's fantastic. And if you want to start selling your products, your services here on your website, also please do that, because this is the best way you will be opening new possibilities for your business. by selling your products and services online with a website that is open 24 hours a day, every single day of the year. Fantastic, right? So basically you could start selling products and services while you are sleeping and making money while you sleep, which is amazing. Congratulations again. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, about how you can take now your website that you created to the next level, how you can use that to sell your products, how you can promote that on social media and grow with email marketing campaigns, we have lots and lots of content and amazing trainings on diegodavila.com. So if you want to learn more, please go now to diegodavila.com and you can explore the courses we have there. I will love to see you in my next training, and I hope you enjoy now your website and start sharing with your clients and with the world. Thank you. See you in the next course.